What's up, guys? We're Fishing for Idiots, and today we're going to be learning how to wakeboard and get up on a wakeboard specifically. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is the wakeboard we're going to be using today. It's just some old wakeboard from the 80s that we found. But so we're going to talk about the feet first. So when you got all these holes on the board, which means you can like adjust where your feet are positioned on the board. But the most important thing about your feet is you want them angled out at like probably a 15 or 20 degree angle, whatever feels comfortable for you. And then just same thing with the with how far apart your feet are. Just do what's comfortable for you. I normally do like shoulder width or a little bit outside of shoulder width. So and then on the back you have a larger fin and a smaller fin. So the larger fin will always go towards the back of the board when you're getting towed. And the way you know which side of your body is on the back is whatever foot you kick a ball with, that's what foot's going to be in the back. So I kick a ball with my right foot, so my right foot is going to be in this hole over that fin. So let's talk about how we're going to get this thing going in the water. Alright, so now we're going to talk about how you put your feet in board. Every board is different on how you strap in your feet. This one doesn't have like the boots, it just has the over the foot strap. So what you're going to do is you're just going to slide your foot in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, slide it on there. God, I can't even touch your feet right now.
Get me in there, dude.
Usually, like when I've done this before, you want to get your toes like up to where it feels comfortable. And yeah, usually when I was getting on this before, it didn't have the fins, so I could just put it flat right on this. But now we have the fins. Is that too tight or is that nice?
Oh, that's comfortable.
All right, and then you take the heel. You want to make sure it's tight because you don't want to be don't want your feet wiggling on the board. You need to be one with it. Is that
yeah,
okay?
I'm one.
All right, so now do the same thing with the other one.
Oh, you're not gonna do it for me this time?
I can't reach it. I just can't reach it. All right. So yeah, you pull this one first.
Okay.
That one, pull tight, put it over, and then the heel goes around, just like that, make it tight, and then that one goes over that.
All right, I'm in.
All right, so now basically just put your feet over. You don't want to be like jumping in because if you jump in and the board is on there, it could tip back and your head could just smack on the boat.
Oh,
instant death. Right?
Instant death.
Just no chance, no chance.
The life jacket does nothing at that point.
So just sit down screws down to this thing.
All right. A dip right there?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, this guy goes to the gym right there. All right, now just slip in.
Do I have my telly? No, I'm good.
All right, slip in. And this isn't specifically for boats like this, but this is showing you especially how to get up on a boat that doesn't have a high tow point. So see, get this, get up. Mate.
No, it's done. Just give me the rope and start the boat.
It's not even attached to the boat yet.
Tell me what to do. You never even told me what to do.
All right, hold this.
Why am I in the water? You put me in the water too early. I'm peeing. Only out of necessity. For warmth.
Alright, can I move for a second?
Oh yeah.
I don't know.
I created a warm sphere of water around me.
Good.
Hey Rhett, question. Sometimes when you pee, does it just hurt?
Yeah.
It does. Why?
It's because of the amino acid buildup.
I think it's because I'm passing the kidneys down. The heck?
We're just gonna see a little rock floating on the surface right now. Some fish is gonna come munch it. All right. So we're gonna just wrap it around like this. This is our tow point. So it's kind of elevated, but it's still basically just like it's flush to the boat. It's not. We're gonna really do anything like a tower tow point does. So. Oh, wait, and then pull them in. So basically, what's gonna happen?
What do you mean pull me in?
Stop. Just let me talk, all right?
You're right.
All right. So basically, what's gonna happen is you're gonna be laying there just like you are, all right?
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna put the boat in gear when you say you're ready. You want the rope to be always over the middle of the board. Okay. And then when you say ready, I'm gonna put the boat in gear. I'm not gonna go fast at all. It's just gonna be in gear, going at like I don't know what miles per hour that is. Pretty slow. But then. When you're ready, when you're about ready to go, what you're gonna do is you're gonna kick the board. See if you can do it right now. I'm not sure if you can. Actually, get out there. Actually, I'll pull you and I'll show them.
What do you get out there, dude? No.
All right. So when the boat's in gear and he's ready to get lifted out of the boat, so he's just gonna say go, and right before he says go, you're gonna kick your feet under you, so you're basically standing up like this, but in the water. No, like you're gonna want like all your board wants to be totally submerged and pretty much under you.
Okay.
So if this is straight up and down in the water, you want it to be like right there. You want to be at like this angle, kind of.
Like this orientation?
Yeah,
though?
and you just want, all that matters is the toe of the board needs to be pointed up towards the sky just a little bit.
Okay.
Like if this, you don't want it flat, you want it like this. Like this does okay.
Okay.
And then I'm just gonna gun it, and then you're just gonna sit there and kind of squat and just maintain your leg position, and the board is just gonna take you to the surface. Right when you're about to get to the surface, switch it around so your right foot is facing the back, and then hold on.
Okay.
All right, and then what some beginner tricks are that you can do is you can just practice like just going out of the wake and then coming back in slowly.
You know what, let's just focus on getting up there first, pal.
All right, let's do that.
Start the boat.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
It's
all right, Tim.
so warm. Or cold. It's so cold.
I'm just gonna keep it video.
Oh, it's under me.
Yeah. So wait, put it back up near the surface. So once it's under you, you gotta tell me go right away so I can gun it and pull you up. All right.
Ready? Go. Go. Hey! Hey! Get back in! There we go. He says go! He says go! He's up! And he's down!
Go. All right, go.
Yeah! Which one? Go!